today I'll teach you guys how you guys can switch back and forth from your Facebook page to your profile. So it's pretty simple. So first thing, you want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're inside your menu, you want to click on pages. Once you're in pages, all the pages which you manage is going to be shown over here. And if you want to switch between pages and your profile, first click on the page you want to switch. So I want to switch into food restaurant, so I will click on food restaurant, and then at the bottom it's going to show me this switch option. If I click on switch, I will switch from my profile into my page, as it's showing me switching to food restaurant. And just like this, I have switched into my food restaurant. Now any post I react to or interact with, I'm going to be interacting as my page. Now if I want to switch back to my profile again, what I need to do is click on menu at the bottom right, and at the top, as you guys can see, right beside food restaurant, you can see my profile picture with a little circle and an arrow on it. Click on it and I will be switching back to my profile again. And if I want to switch back to my page again, I just need to do the thing which I did again in the beginning. So that's how you guys can switch back and forth from your Facebook page to your profile. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.